Hello guys, it's BJ from Dreampreneur.com with a quick tip of the day to build your dream business online. Today's quick tip of the day is this. Sometimes you have to stop following the rules, okay? I don't care who the authority figure is, I don't care who the guru is, I don't care who the person you're listening to. They may have more success, more bigger numbers than you, but at the same time, sometimes you have to break the rules. You got to break their rules to create your own rules and just go with your gut. And just sometimes, if everyone's following their method, guess what? No one's breaking the rules. So you can be the first person to break the rule. Let me give you an example. I'm in self-publishing, right? I publish quick how-to guides. I have a publishing brand called How Expert, where we publish quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Literally how to do this, how to do that, all types of topics. We have about 300 how-to guides already right now. So I'm looking at this writer that I'm interviewing, and he has this topic called nanotechnology. Okay, so based on the experts for self-publishing, they say, oh, use this tool to find out if this book sells well or not. Okay, if the bestseller, whatever, this tool that I use, the Amazon tool that I use, if it's too high of a number in terms of like it's not selling so well, then don't hire them. That is a common kind of knowledge amongst the experts in publishing. And that's fine. That's probably true. But you know what I did today? I broke that rule and I hired that writer anyways. You know why? Because when I interviewed this person, he had so much passion. He knew his number one thing in life was nanotechnology. He had a PhD he was a professor in college. So I looked at the books. All these other books were $59 ebooks, $100 paperback books. And I said, you know what? I'm going to do it for the everyday people, and I'm going to publish at a very affordable price for the masses. So I broke that rule that other people say, oh, you cannot, don't hire those topics. Don't do books on those topics that are above maybe 100,000 bestseller ranking because there's not enough demand. You know what I did though today? I broke that rule. Now, do I know what's going to happen? I don't know yet. But I just went with my gut and I said, you know what? I'm going to hire this person because you know what I look for in someone? I look for unique topics in people. I look for passion and I look for real life experience. And guess what? This person had it all. He had a unique topic for nanotechnology. And by the way, the book is going to be called Nanotechnology 101 coming soon in the future. And number two, he had passion in his cover letter answers to my questions. I asked him, what is your number one passion, knowledge, experience? And elaborate on your proof of expertise. He told me it's about nanotechnology. To be honest, I don't know what that is. I don't know what nanotechnology is, okay? But I looked it up. It is a real, it's like studying studying things at a very atomic level or a very cellular level or something like that. I don't even understand. I don't even know how to elaborate it to you. But my point is, there was other big companies like Dummies had a book called Nanotechnology for Dummies. So my original advice was that if there's a book done by a big companies like Dummies, it's okay. But guess what? All the experts are saying, oh, don't do those topics if it's over 100,000 or whatever. All respect to them. But you know what? Today, what I look for is unique topic, passion, and real life experience. And this person had it all. So I went against the grain. I went against the experts. And I say, you know what? I'm going to go for it. And I hired him and he accepted it. And the book is coming out in the future. So sometimes in your journey, whether it's as an entrepreneur or building your self-publishing business or whatever you're doing, sometimes even if the experts who may have bigger results than you, you got to say no to that and just go for it. Because you know what? If the experts are telling you all this, guess what? The masses are all listening to them and no one's breaking the rules. You can be the first one breaking the rules and creating something innovative out there in the marketplace, and the marketplace will adjust and will react to that in a positive way. I truly believe that, okay? Now, I don't know if it's going to sell hot or not, but guess what? Sometimes you got to break the rules. I went with this. I've broken a lot of rules over the years as an entrepreneur, and it has worked. Not all of them worked, but it has worked when you just go with, you go with your gut sometimes. Go with your inner side, your intuition, your sense, the passion in the person. Go with that too, okay? So that's the quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn more about how to build your dream business online, click the link below the video. Check out dreampreneur.com, my free email newsletter, where I'm going to share with you daily tips like this. Or check out my self-publishing course to learn how to publish your ebook, paperback book, and audiobook on Amazon so you can grow your brand and authority to the next level in your niche. Go to publishersystem.com, where I'm going to teach you about self-publishing from A to Z from a publisher's perspective. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you. And if you're looking to create courses or write for my publishing brand, go to howexpert.com/writers or howexpert.com/course creators. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.